Welcome to the future, where AI isn't coming, it's taking over! Apple is Perplexity AI. Search wars begin! Apple is reportedly in talks to acquire or partner with Perplexity AI, a rising star in AI-powered search. Why? To challenge Google and OpenAI in the race for AI-native answers. With Siri still struggling and investors demanding results, Apple's next big move might not be hardware, it's AI infrastructure. UK's AI Airlock, safe testing for medical AI. Meanwhile, the UK's MHRA is taking the cautious high road. They just expanded their AI Airlock, a sandbox where new AI medical devices are tested safely before going mainstream. Backed by a $1 million boost, this could become the global model for responsible AI in healthcare. SecureTech acquires AI UltraProd. AI meets 3D manufacturing. In the industrial corner, SecureTech just acquired AI UltraProd, a company mixing AI and 3D printing to scale manufacturing. Think smart factories where machines think, print, and self-optimize. This isn't the future of factories, it's the factory of the future. Tray.ai, Gartner visionary again. Gartner named them a standout in iPaaS for their cutting-edge AI agent governance tools. If you're running enterprise workflows in 2025, Tray is turning automation into autonomy. Hinge CEO warns against AI dating chatbots. Love in the age of algorithms? Hinge's CEO says AI dating bots are playing with fire, even as his own app uses AI to boost real matches by 15%. So, are bots helping us fall in love or just replacing us? OpenAI's legal turbulence and strategy shifts. At OpenAI, it's not all smooth sailing. A trademark lawsuit just paused their deal with Johnny Ive, while internal restructuring and monetization plans are underway. With lawsuits piling up, will OpenAI evolve or implode? Meta goes all in on Scale AI. Meta just dropped $14.3 billion for a 49% stake in Scale AI and recruited its founder. Why? Because Zuck knows the real race isn't social, it's sovereign AI dominance. This might be Meta's most strategic play since buying Instagram. Subscribe now if you want to stay one step ahead in the AI revolution.